Magandang hapon po ng Sunday, August 23, 2026. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng Sunday, August 23, 2026. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng August 23, 2026 Sunday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. See you again later for 9 p.m. draw result of Ultra Lotto 658, Super Lotto 649, 3D Lotto and 2D Lotto for Sunday, August 23, 2026. Here are the today's jackpot estimates of Ultra Lotto 6658 and Super Lotto 649 for August 23, 2026 Sunday. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for Sunday, August 23, 2026. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.